Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is why did my conversation disappear? Messenger. So guys, this happened is because maybe you have turned on a disappearing message onto your phone. So to fix that issue, you could just simply go ahead and go to your messenger, and now just simply go to the person that you have interacted with, and now from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select their profile at the top. Now, here, if we scroll down, we should have an option over here, disappearing messages. So from here, tap on continue. And if you have this 24 hours turned on, make sure to turn it off. And maybe this is the reason why your conversation disappear on Messenger. So by just simply turning this off, your messages will not disappear. And there you go. And also, if you have an end-to-end encryption, as you can see, you will have an option over here, restore now to restore your chat history. And if you have the end-to-end encryption set up, you could just simply provide your passcode over here to restore all of your messages. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.